What it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. ZN, I'm your host P Fire, aka P is for perfectly perfect in every single way. Call me Poppins. And this is another episode of, I don't even know. Let's just call it subscriber kind of shout outs today. Let's call it, and also today, I know I've been trying to do this giveaway thing. It's so much longer than I thought it would be, but guys, you already know what it is. Like I said, I'm gonna do this giveaway, and yeah, I put my live on just for the hell of it. What's good? We're on live. Yeah, so I'm gonna do it. How I'm gonna do it is I finally worked it out. So I've got my main engagement crew. There's 19 people, so you know, let me see. So we've got people like 2011 Linton, GREG, Macho Man Randy Savage, Tony Yates, John Clark, Nerd Bama Rich, Andy Scott and P, Stringer, X-Man, 23 Macca, Felix, Yakaman, Oliver Cassis, Eagle Hunter 180, Skulls and Bones 2001, Mia Miglia, Martio 1, Vincent and Chablos. So these people from beginning till possibly now, yeah, not always from the beginning, but some of these are from early days, you know, but they always have left a comment, always have done a little feedback, you know, dropped me some knowledge. You know, GREG, he's always first on most of my videos, you know. So there's 19 people, right, main people. So I'm going to put these 19 into a draw, so they're separate. All right, now I don't even know, like, if you look at all this, this is what I've been doing this morning. This is nearly all the people that have left a comment, and there's like 167 different people who've left a comment. Do you know what I mean? So like, I've written down all their names. I was gonna tear it, do the numbers, as you can see, put it into a hat, but then I realized I've got a wheel, which I will show you. So I've got a little wheel, so I'm going to do it that way. Also, there's a 481 of my subscribers who actually show up, so they're not hidden, they actually show up. So I'm going to put them into a draw as well. So yeah, hope that makes sense. Anyway, all right gang, so what I'm going to do, alright gang, so what I'm going to do for my regular engagement crew is I'm going to put the paper into this hat here, Special. I'm going to put that in, as you can see. So here is the 19 names that are on this list, right? So I'm going to put those names, just so you can see. So these are my regular engagement crew. Do you know what I mean? Always leave a message. I'm going to put them into a hat just because I think it's a bit fairer. You know, these random generators, you know, they choose the same number 3 times, 4 times. You know, that's never going to happen in here. You can only pick the number. So I'm going to pick 3 people. No, I'm going to pick 4 people. 4 people from this. Oops, did I lose one? I hope not. Let me make sure. Yeah, no, everything's there. I'm going to pick 4 people from here, and then they will be my winners. So it's totally fair. And again, how I count it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So you can see, not making it up. I feel like a mathematician. So I'm going to do like this, alright? Again, I don't know what's what. I'm going to just pick one. So my first number is this. As you can see, I've just picked it at random. I don't know what's what. I'm not doing it by feel. So my first number is 19. Chablos. As you can see, the last number on there is Chablos. So Chablos, shout out to you. You definitely win something. Alright, let's do. Come on, come on, come on. Let's see. Alright, I'm just gonna pick any number. Cool. So this is the next number, guys, and this number is 17. So who's that? Marty 01. Wait, Chablos. Yes, Marty 01. Let's see. Marty 01. Okay, let's do it again. We got 2 more. Don't worry, if you're on the list, we got 2 more, guys. What number is this, guys? This is number, ooh, yeah, that's definitely a number 6, because I know how I write my 6s. So number 6 is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my god, it's my guy in America, Nerd Bammer Rich. So nice one. Shout out my guy Nerd Bammer. You definitely win something, and we've got 1 more to go, man. 1 more. We're doing it the old school way, guys. Alright, hand in, pick. Alright, I've picked 1. I'm about to open it. Jeez, I want to make sure I don't tear it. And this is, number 5. So number 5, can you see that there? That's a 5. Hold on. Just so you can see. Don't want you to think I'm making it up. Number 5. Is that a 5? Yes, that's a 5. Number 5, and number 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. John Clark. So shout out John Clark. So I will tell you the winners. Number 19, last person on the list, Shablos. Number 17, Marty01. Number 6, definitely a 6, not a 9, because I know my writing, Nerd Bammer Rich. And the last one, number 5, John Clark. John Clark right there. Shout out all you guys on this list. You always engage, beautiful people. Love that. Amazing. Thank you so much. Now, obviously, if you've entered the questions and you're part of this list here, like Oliver Cassis has, I think on this list only Oliver Cassis has answered the question, but there's 4 or 5 people that have answered the question, so I'm gonna do that next. Alright guys, let's get into the people who have actually answered the question. So there's 5 people who have answered the question, and I've just assigned them a number randomly. So Oliver Cassis, Linton, 2011 Linton, Matthew Salmante, Andrew Scott and Peters, number 4, David Eslop, number 5. So number 1 Oliver Cassis, number 2 2011 Linton, number 3 Matthew Salmante, number 4 Andrew Scott and Peters, and number 5 David Heslop. Shout out to you guys, appreciate you taking the time. Of course you're in the pool for the general subscriber ones, which I'm going to do. Again, let's get into it so we can yeah, so we can do it. So here you can see I have 5 people. I'm going to do it random. I'm going to do this by the random generator this time, just to, you know, just because there's 5 numbers. So let's see, should we go for a spin? And I'm going to pick 2 or 3. I'll decide in a minute. So let's do our first spin. Dum 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 dum. And the number is number 2. Okay, as you can see, shout out my guy Linton, 2011. Mad love to you. You have actually won. All right, mad love to you, number 2. This is fun. All right, let's do another spin. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's spin. Number 5. And that is David Heslop. Guys, that is my guys who have won. So let me see, can I do a 3rd one? Let's see, maybe I might do a 3rd one. Maybe do a 3rd one. Boom boom boom. 2 out of 5. Actually, I'll leave it at 2, just because I've got 4 on the other one, 2 on this one, and I've got to do my general subscribers. So I'm trying to give 7 things away, you know. So if I do too many, I'm going to be, you know, it's going to be a lot. So so guys, I will contact you and let you know. Mad love to you guys that have won. So that is 2011 Linton and David Heslop. Shout out you guys, really appreciate you guys. As you can see, random generator, I did not cheat. So yeah, mad love to you guys, appreciate you taking part. And yeah, we'll do more of these, and I'll get it much more refined. But shout out to you guys. I really appreciate you. Alright gang, so there's 481 of my subscribers that show up as public. If you've hidden your subscription, then I do apologize. There's not much I can do, so I'm going to do a spin. I was going to do everyone who's left a comment, but again, it's not really fair because I don't think I've captured everyone, and I just want to kind of make it fair. So with the questions, I know it's fair. With my regular engagements, I know it's fair because I know who they are. And this one will totally be random, as you can see. 481. I did do this earlier, actually. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of did this earlier, and sorry, I did this earlier, and the person who came out was actually number one. I'll tell you who that number one was, and I might just send them a gift anyway because I did do that spin. But let's see. So 481, let's give it a go, see what's happening. Let me close this. So it's spinning guys. Am I catching that? And what number do we have? 244. So let me just see. I've got 2 from the other thing. Yeah, so number 244, whoever that person that shows up on my list is, they win. If that person doesn't get back to me within the week, then I spin again until someone who gets back to me wins. So number 244, congratulations to you. So yeah, guys, that is that. Like I said, I did do this, and the person that came up was number one, and the person who's number one on my list is actually someone by the name of Craig Rigby. So I think just to honor that, I might just send that to them anyway. I've got footage of me actually doing that as well, so you know, I'm not making it up. Oh, what are we getting? Oh, number one. That's a boom one. So number one. So if you've left a comment on my page, so if I've written down your name first on my list here, then that means you've definitely won. I'll show you guys what you can win in a minute. Let me just show you. So I've got a bunch of stuff, man, that I'm trying to give away. Look, so I've got some pool and shark bits. I've got another pool and shark. I've got a little stony jumper here. You know, I can show a little stony jumper. You see, with the badge, you know what I mean? Little stony jumper. I might give away. I've got some CP shorts. You know what I mean? With the lens. I've got some bucket hats. So I've got a little special bucket hat. I've got pretty green little bucket hat. I've got a little CP shirt again with the lens. Yeah, I've got a bunch of stuff that I'm going to give away, guys. Excuse the franticness, but yeah, this is what happens when you're trying to do a giveaway and stuff. I've got a bunch of stuff I've got to give away. So yeah, that's that. So guys, just to recap who the winners are. So from my regular engagement crew, which is the list which I showed you, which is this, guys. Sorry, from the regular engagement crew, I picked these out of the hat as I showed you, and the first winner was Shablos, which was number 19. The second winner was number 17, which was Marty01. The third winner was Nerd Bama Rich, which was number 6. And then the fourth winner was John Clark, which was number 5. So yeah, beautiful. Mad love to you guys. I appreciate every single one of you that regularly engage. Next time, hopefully, it will be you guys. Now, from the people who answered the questions, God, I've got so much paper everywhere. The people who answered the questions, this was the list, and the winners, as you could see, from the spinny was Linton. Shout out Linton, mad love to you, my brother. And it was David Heslop. So yeah, shout out to David Heslop. You guys had a bigger chance of winning because you were in a smaller pot, but you also had a big chance of winning if you had left a comment in total. And from the person who had left a comment, so that is 4. Was that 4? Yes, 4. So that's 3. No, that's 2. And from the person who left a comment, the winner was, and that was from how I started my list, and it was number 1, which was Craig Rigby. as you can see, that was my first, so it was 1, 2, 3, so Craig Rigby 1. So shout out to you, Craig Rigby. I will put all the names up, and yeah, I look forward to doing this again, actually, because giving is better than receiving. And yeah, so yeah, I just want to shout out you lot, man. It took me long enough, but I think I got it down to a T. So shout out to you guys, man. Mad important that I did this, and I appreciate you. So again, like I said, in case you're wondering, you know, I've got a bunch of stuff that, you know, that I'm going to give away. So obviously, depending on your sizes and stuff, you know, depends what you'll get. But you know, there might be some other bits. You know, I'll decide what you know, what's what and who gets what. You know, regular engagement crew, obviously you get the pick of the litter, so to speak, and then it will be I guess whoever answered the question, and then Craig Rigby number 1, you get because you've left a comment, so yeah, you'll get, but you know, you're not going to get nothing rubbish. But yeah, shout out to you guys, man. Mad love. Peace, man. Oh yeah, guys, this has been your boy P5, aka P is for giveaway. P is not for giveaway. This has been another episode of And Also. I've been your boy. This is Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, the end. Guys, stay dope, stay fly. Gratitude is a must, and I'm very grateful. Love.